Unlocking the secrets of the guitar, the magic of string winders. Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that every guitar enthusiast should know about: guitar string winders. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned player, understanding this tool can make your life much easier. So, let's explore what a guitar string winder is, why it's essential, and how to use it effectively. A guitar string winder is a simple, yet incredibly useful tool designed for guitar players. It's primarily used to tighten or loosen the strings on a guitar, making the process of changing strings faster and more efficient. This handy device fits over the tuning pegs of your guitar, allowing you to turn the pegs more quickly than you could with just your fingers. Using a guitar string winder has several benefits. Saves time. Changing strings becomes a quicker, more enjoyable task. Reduces effort. It minimizes the physical effort needed to wind strings. Prevents injury. By providing a better grip, it reduces the risk of hurting your fingers. Increases precision. It helps in winding the strings more evenly, which can enhance your guitar's tuning stability. 1. Attach the winder. Place the slot of the string winder over the guitar's tuning peg. 2. Wind or unwind. Use the handle to turn the winder, winding or unwinding the string as needed. 3. Repeat. Continue this process for each string that you need to change or tune. There are a few different types of guitar string winders available. Manual winders. These are the most common and affordable options. Electric winders. These battery-operated winders can save even more time and effort. Multi-function winders. Some winders come with additional tools, like a built-in string cutter or a bridge pin puller, making them even more versatile. We hope this guide has illuminated the wonders of the guitar string winder for you. This simple tool can significantly enhance your guitar maintenance routine, making it quicker, easier, and more enjoyable. Whether you're just starting out or have been playing for years, a string winder is a must-have in your guitar toolkit. Happy strumming, and see you in the next video.